Don't be discouraged. It's often the last key in the bunch that opens the lock. Well, either it opens the lock or your bright future. It's an important part, so let's make a very special place for it. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm bringing this beautiful key holder DIY and a rack to keep your valuable things. So without any further delay, let's begin. So this is the frame which we will decorate and we'll make a key holder out of it. First of all, this MDF plank will be covered completely white. Here I have taken Febric acrylic colors, and you can take gesso here, and wall putty can also be used on this plank. What you have to do, you only have to make it white, so whatever you feel like you can use over here and cover it completely. And after that we will make these flowers. This is a freehand drawing which I have done, and you can draw anything of your choice, any flower, butterfly, anything, whatever you feel like. Now here I am drawing a guitar. I love to make guitars on such beautiful works, and see how beautiful it is looking like, the black guitar. And see, I have covered it with this kind of artwork. And now we will begin with the second part. In the second strip I have made this beautiful relief art. I have used wall putty over here, and with the help of palette knife I made these flowers. And this DIY I have taught in my another video. If you want to learn it, you check my other videos. Now color this part, make red flowers and green leaves, and if you want you can change it according to your choice. You can take any other color, but I chose here red rose, and that's why I'm filling with these colors. Now do not leave the base, make it little shady, somewhere green, somewhere white, and try to merge it very beautifully so that it may look nice. Now the third strip will be covered with these what do we call them, Shank, and ये easily आपको मार्केट से मिल जाएंगे. आपको करना है क्या कि ये खरीदने हैं और इसको इस तरह फ्लावर शेप में स्टिक करना है. And I'm sticking it with glue, and after sticking it we will cover the base with brown color and give little shades also, white and brown all around. Shading part is very easy. Take white color, brown color and merge it with little water, and do not leave any area, cover it completely and merge these colors quite beautifully so that it may look very nice when it gets complete. Now for giving it a heart shape, what we will do, we'll take these strips and we will stick them with the help of glue and make it look like a heart. Yes, so this is our last strip. For making the base, इसमें मैंने पुट्टी ली है और उसको अपनी फिंगर से अप्लाई करते हुए कहीं कहीं पैचेस जैसे दे दिए हैं. उसके बाद ये क्ले से मैंने कुछ फ्लावर्स को बनाया है, इसको स्टिक किया है. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम डूइंग दिस सिल्वर कलर and will give a little shade of black also, and see how beautiful it will look when it will get complete. So for covering this frame, we will stick this beautiful lace and will make it look very beautiful. So stick these black circles at all these 4 strips. So you see, this is how it will look like when it will get complete. Now some parts are left. I will show you in my next part how I am going to complete them. Stick this beautiful bird, and you can stick any other thing if you want that. I am using this bird and this kitty I made, and I'm gonna stick it by the side of the last strip so that it may give a look of a heart of the cat. And after coloring it, what you have to do, you'll cut it very carefully, and after cutting it you will stick by the sides. And while cutting it, guys, please be very careful, it may not tear up, and do it very carefully. So this is how we are going to stick it. Apply glue and stick it very carefully, and with the help of this light we will make the eyes of this cat, and it's very delicate light, so be very careful while doing this part. And this is all we'll make the eyes. Yes, so let's see how it is looking like. So this is the final touch of my beautiful rec cum key holder, and I have used these nails for holding the keys. And after doing this much, you can keep your valuable things on it and hold your keys. Thank you.